Current events, everybody. My office manager slash parts service writer came to me and said, I keep getting a lot of people calling for tire monitors and they say we're too expensive. Well, I know this, when I go to the dealership to buy them, they're between $50 and $90 for a tire monitor for OEM parts. Not including the labor to take the wheel off, break the tire down, put a tire monitor in, balance the tire, put it back on the car, and all the other Mickey Mouse bullshit that you have to do to reprogram it and road test the tire monitor. So Rachel said that she has people calling and saying that they can get a tire monitor job done for $25 or for $50, and then on average $80. So why are they calling you? If you can get a tire monitor for $50 installed, you better fucking run over there and get in line. And she's like, well, I called around and I did some competitive price shopping, and they're giving me quotes around $80. I said, fine, Rachel. For any Tpms monitors that we have in stock, then we'll do them for $100. I don't want to be the cheapest guy. What are you guys charging for tire monitors, reprogramming, and installation? That includes breaking the tire down, balancing the tire, reinflating the tire, reprogramming the car, and road testing the car. $50 sounds like it's way too cheap, and I will never do a tire monitor for $50 unless the part cost me maybe $10 or less, and that's not happening. The least expensive tire monitors that I find, aftermarket universals, are between $19 and $30 cost. You tell me. So if you can get them for 50 bucks, hop in your shit box and go and get them. You're not getting them for $50 to $80 installed at the dealership. So in my opinion, they're no different than me, because if they can fix your TPMS, so can I. So what makes you think that you can get it done for $50? Who's putting tire monitors in for $50? Who? The equipment to pre-program the car costs more than that. The tire monitors sometimes cost more than that. Somebody let me know. Thanks for watching.